In this video, I'm going to show you how to draw a circuit diagram in Draw.io. So the first thing you want to do, you want to click on More Shapes at the bottom left, scroll down to the very bottom here on the left-hand side, and then here it says Electrical. Click on that and make sure there's a blue check mark whenever you click it. And you can see there's a bunch of different electrical things over here. You can click on Apply, and these are going to get added to your list here on the left. Now, you can see there's a bunch of different things you have, and of course, you can then just drag and drop them onto your board over here, whatever you actually need, like this, for example. And then what's actually great about this is that you can easily connect these with lines the following way. So click on one of them. Here you have this arrow. You can just drag this arrow to the second one, and then this is now connected, as you can see. So of course you can make this so it's not an arrow. You can click on this line over here, and then you can delete this basically arrow here on the right, make it a line like this. There we go. So it's now very, very smooth. You can go ahead and do it like that as well, move it up here, etc. So that's pretty much how you can do it. And of course you can draw whatever you want here on the left. You can customize this according to your own needs, and that's pretty much it. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.